Hello, let's see how we can elevate your design photo to video. On the Canva homepage, we can choose any size. And now we need to choose a photo. Let's go to the left side menu and photos. If you don't see, you need to go to apps and photos. And now you can choose any photo. Then we can go to apps and let's search for image animate, and we will choose this one app. Click on it, and now we see our photo. We click on the photo and we see, and we can animate it. We see animation tool. We can choose auto animate or motion. We can adjust settings, length, number of loops, camera path, and we can click generate. We see that we need to wait about 1 and 2 minutes, about 2 minutes. And here you go, we see our video from photo. We can add a new page and we can click add to design. When we click on our video, we see that it was uploaded to our uploads and videos. We will find the video here. Great, yes? If you want to learn more about Canva magic possibilities, I prepare a very interesting course. Course you will find on courses.studiuma.com. This course is prepared for both Pro Canva users and free Canva users, as we will learn how to achieve every pro magical capability with the free version of Canva. You will learn many tips and tricks, and I will share with you many free page links for resources. I have put all my experience and all the useful advice I have gathered into this course. I hope these tutorials will inspire you, so I invite you to this course and hope to see you soon.